Ilaban natin ng white sneakers and some tan socks. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. What's up, guys? It's day 2 in Sapa, Vietnam. Good morning! Be-breakfast tayo. I cannot wait na mag-coffee ulit to start my day. I had a great sleep. Feeling fresh. Kahit hindi mukhang fresh, okay lang. We have fried rice.
Nalimutan ko yung mic ko. Then we have sauteed noodles. Sausage, game pan. Mushroom soup. And we have some cold cuts here. Some bread, veggies. We love our veggies in the morning. Syempre, some cakes, yogurt. Nalimutan ko yung mic ko. Nakakainis. Sana naririnig nyo ako. Grabe. So, wala tayong makita. Wala. So, paano? Alright. So, let's start the day with the salad. Uy, kala mo naman. Pero I love Asian salad. And of course, bacon. Favorite. Siyempre. Kain tayo. Ang sarap ng salad, grabe. Spicy. May sili. Grabe, maulan pa rin. Ano yung magiging activity natin today? Bacon, guys. So today, dapat pupunta kami ng Fancy Pam. Kaya lang sobrang... Hindi naman sobrang ulan as compared yesterday. Pero mas maulap, wala naman kami makikita. Kailangan pala bumili ng external memory kasi yung laptop ko napuno na ng videos. Hindi ko na kung paano i-manage. Yung mga seasoned vlogger ba nag-external memory ba sila? Wala akong idea. Sa totoo lang, daming tao nakakahiya. So yun na nga, kagabi, nag-transfer ako ng file sa laptop ko. Kinabahan ako kasi so nakalagay yung first day na videos. So baka mag-check ako sa town center ngayon to get an external drive. Kasi may Hanoi pa, so paano ko makukuhanan yun? Ilalaban ko na nga itong vlog na to, no? Yes! But of course, I need your support. Naalala niyo sinabi kong nagra-rhinitis ako after eating. Ito na, while eating, nagsa-start na siya. tutulo na naman tulo yung sipon ko. Sorry ah. I love a hotel that serves good breakfast. Kasi they allow you to nourish your body with good food and good energy. Diba? Very important in breakfast when you're traveling. And of course, your coffee. Grabe dito. Sisikat yung araw, tapos mawawala kagad because of the clouds. Nakikita niyo ba yung portion na yan? Medyo kita na yung baba. Ano, whenever I travel, parang lagi ako nagre-reflect sa mga things na nangyari sa akin in the past or yung mga things na gusto ko pang i-achieve. And at the same time, I can't help myself but to, thank God sa mga kung paano niya dinesign ang mundo. Kasi super amazing, like this view that I'm seeing now, although full of clouds and may mga glimpse ng small town na nakikita despite the clouds and the fog. Ang ganda niya. As people, dapat we should always protect yung blessing na binigay sa atin. Like, alam mo yung mga simple things, na pagtapon ng candy wrapper, ibulsan na lang natin yung mga ganong bagay. Kasi ang ganda ng earth, ang ganda ng mundo.
Okay.
Tapos may coffee ka, ganitong weather. Grabe. So Ronnie knows na naman ulit. May morning rhinitis after eating. Ayan, you can see the mountains, no? Tapos mawawala na naman siya. Bakit ba ganun? Darating, tapos iiwan ka rin naman. Ay. Ayun, nakikita na naman yung clouds. Tapos mamaya, mawawala rin. Minsan talaga may dumarating tapos iiwan ka rin naman. Uy! Ganda. So ito yung papunta sa villa. Medyo nakakahingal lang kasi paakyat, mas manipis yung hangin. Ang ganda, may mga repolyo. Ayun o. May mga tanim silang repolyo. Gabi. Parang ano ba yun? Rice terraces. Hagdan pala yan. Wow! We are here in Sun Plaza. So we are planning to go to Fancy Pan now. Pero I don't know kung may makikita kami ngayon doon dahil super foggy. Even papunta dito galing kami sa hotel, halos walang makita sa daan. Umuusok, nasa loob na ako ng Sun Plaza pero umuusok pa rin yung bibig ko. Pero there, let's check kung paano tayo makakuha ng ticket ng tram going up to Fancy Pan. And let's see, we need to take the train and then the tram, then another train. So, it's going to be a trip. Akit tayo sa pinakamataas na mountain sa Indochina. And the Indochina is composed of what? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Vietnam, Laos, Thailand. Si Myanmar yata kasama. Hindi ko kabisado. Check ko na lang ulit. Okay, so ito yung ticket price. Going up to Fancy Pan. I'm just not sure if this is a return ticket. If it's a two-way ticket. Yeah, it says round trip. So, that's the price. Tara, let's inquire. Hindi kami makakaakyat ng Fancy Pan now. Why? Because the last train goes down at 4 p.m. and it's already 1:19. And sabi sa information, super cloudy raw ngayon and wala kaming makikita. Hi, so change of plans today. We might go somewhere na lang dito within the city. And then bukas na lang, aagahan na lang namin going up to Fancy Pan. Ayun, so kinancel muna namin yung Fancy Pan tour today because sobrang short na ng oras. So instead, we're heading to the Cat Village. Binook ko na lang sa Klook yung tour kasi sakto lang yung pick-up time. It is 1:39 now and pick-up time is around 2:15 p.m. sa Sapa Church. And then, yun na lang gagawin namin today. And then, bukas na kami magpa-Fancy Pan. So, I'll show you around sa Cat Village. And hopefully, sana may makita tayong sceneries dahil sobrang foggy ngayon and sobrang ginaw as usual. Napakagaling kong tour guide, diba? Ang galing ko pumili ng date ng punta ng Sapa. Okay guys, so gulong-gulo na naman ako sa mundo. Gulong-gulo na naman si Tito Chuck sa mundo niya kasi wala na naman siya makita. Nintay namin yung tour guide to going to Cat Village. And dito na kami mag-meet here sa building na to. Ang daming plans sa gusto namin puntahan. But, because of the weather, naging limited yung lakad namin. Okay, so mag-Tito outfit check na lang muna tayo because why not? Nilaban natin ng white sneakers and some tan socks and some water repellent bag and my puffer jacket. Yun lang. So our tour guide is here. I'll show you I'll introduce you to her. Hi Ku, say hi to the vlog. We're going to Cat Village.
See a waterfall.
So she'll tour us around, paikot-ikot doon. So I don't know kung ano makikita doon or what to expect. We have Tito Arkel here.
Okay, now we go this way down.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, let's go this way.
Thank you.
So now we start walk this way down. Everyone has to be careful on the step. We're gonna walk from here 2 kilometers down, and we don't come back same way. We walk like go so far, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So take your time out.
So guys, medyo matarik yung binababaan namin ngayon. And I'm doing this for the vlog.
Okay. Tapos.
Parang madudulas ako. Ano ba yan? Kahapon, muntik din ako madulas. Kasi puro stones.
Halo, lagi kita satu. Oh, kita.
Before to go there, the photo is not very nice like here. So this one is the main belong. It's not.
So nag-picture taking kami dito. Uy, Philippines! Hi!
Say hi to the vlog.
So guys, nasa traditional house daw tayo dito sa Sapa. So this is how it looks like.
You know hemp? Hemp. To get in very long.
Okay.
Yeah, after we go very long, we go around 4 to 7 kilo of string. Then we put on the hot water to make them very soft and more stronger.
Okay.
After then we are spinning to get their close. And the water we made from the indigo powder mix together with the ash water and 1 bowl of alcohol together here. And when we dye in the fabric, we're using this.
So this one is an indigo water daw.
Water to make a blue color. Every time you want to make blue finger, you use your hand to tap here, then you have blue finger. And that's how you know a lot of local women.
Guys, dito na kami sa Catcat Village Central. So, parang center ng Catcat Village. So, ayan, waterfalls. And then may mga horses doon. Nice. Very traditional. So, merong bridge dun sa side na yan. And then, meron pa dito. Lalakarin natin yan later. Actually, pwede ka mag-rent ng costume dito. Kaya lang, naku, hindi ko nagagawin yun. Unang-una, malamig, and basa, and madulas. Yan, parang ganyan. Traditional costumes that you could rent. Ang ganda naman dito. Very makaluma. It brings you back in time. Hello! Hi guys! Hello sa mga taga Quezon. Quezon Province? Quezon Province! Yay! So, merong traditional performance na nangyayari ngayon. Super nice. Really beautiful. Hey. Hi. So, we're trying this. Hello.
How many people?
2. We'll go together.
What's the name?
Chuck. Yeah. Philippines.
Okay, my hello. Go video.
Yeah.
100,000.
Sure. We'll pay now? We'll pay now? Okay, wait just a sec. We're ready.
Go. That's my pa. That's my pa.
Whoa! Nakakatakot. Ano ba yan?
Video mo yung sa harap. Yan, yun lang. Harap na sa'yo.
Yeah.
Go.
Woo! We're here! Woo! Ah! Nakakatakot pala yung slide na yan. Ay. Sakit sa katawan ha. Pero masaya.
Yan. Hindi lang halata pero may lake dyan. Burnham Park. Merong lake dito. Pero hindi ko lang kung kita.
Guys, gusto niyo ng Tito joke? Tito joke tayo. Sige, game. Knock knock. Who's there? Mix. Mix who? I mix you too. Gusto niyo? Ay. So, naghahanap kami ng makakainan ngayon. We haven't had lunch. So, diretso dinner na. Parang masarap mag-hot pot. Kaya lang, ang bigat. Ano bang masarap kainin sa ganitong weather? Grabe yung slide kanina. Ang sakit sa katawan nun. Diyos ko Lord. Ay. Parang gusto ko mag-pho. Magpa-pho ba ako or what? Pho or banh mi? Ano ba masarap na Vietnamese food? I hope I could see Sapa na hindi ganito ka-foggy. Sobrang foggy niya. Anong month ba dapat? March? Ganyan, summer? Pag summer naman, mainit. Nagugutom na talaga ako. Oh my God. Ang haggard ko na rin. Parang itong Sapa trip ko, punong-puno ng kahagaran dahil siguro sa ulan, di ba? O haggard na talaga.
Hi guys. So, andito kami sa isang pho restaurant called Tiem Pho Ngon. This one. So, nakita ko lang siya sa Google review and 4.9 yung rating niya. So, that's why nakaka-excite na matry ang kanilang pho. Ang ganda ng reviews niya. Ang daming nasarapan. So, hopefully, it lives to it. Hopefully, it lives to... Alam mo, hina ako na mag-English. Basta yung expectation namin, ganun. So, we're just waiting for it. And then, pahinga muna. Then, mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yung in-order naming food. Napagod ako dun sa rainbow slide na yan. It was fun. Nakakatuwa. You should try it also. So, we paid for the drone shot. We paid 100,000 dong. And then for the slide itself, it's 45,000 per person. So, okay na rin for the experience. Ayan, so dumating na yung pho namin. So, this is the special beef and mushroom pho. And that one naman is the special chicken na pho. Looks delicious. And sobrang sarap ng mga gulay-gulay talaga nila dito. Kaka-excite, sarap. We also ordered the grilled pork something, pero wala pa siya. Sarap.
Ooh. Here's the beef. Ayan. Noodles.
What?
And mushroom. Grabe no, ang sarap humigop ng mainit na sabaw pag sobrang lamig. So after namin kumain ngayon, baka mag-coffee lang. Uuwi kami, mag-rest kami ng maaga kasi tomorrow is technically our last day. Last whole day. Kasi maaga yung balik namin ng Hanoi. Hey guys, so nakabalik na ako sa tour namin today. It was a very happy and fruitful day today. After breakfast, nagpunta na ako sa Catcat Village. Last minute, nakapag-book ako ng tour sa Klook. So I'm really happy kasi grabe technology, no? Parang in just a click of a button, meron ka ng instant tour. And then, after the Catcat Village, well, of course, firstly, ang dami kong natutunan today about their culture and tradition. And it's really interesting. Pinakita rin doon kung paano nila ginagawa yung certain traditional fabric or traditional thread na ginagamit nila for the fabric, and the way they dye the fabric. Ang galing. Tapos I also learned about kung paano yung setup nila ng family nila dito during the old times, on how women take care of the family and things like that. After the tour sa Catcat Village, kita nyo naman, nagpunta rin ako, nakapag rainbow slide din ako. Grabe yun, super thrilling, super exciting kasi akala mo simpleng-simple lang yung slide, pero dahil nagdi-drizzle kanina, tapos madulas yung pinaka-step, yung madulas yung pinaka-slide niya, yung colorful na slide. Kaya extra bilis din kanina. Nakasalampak na pala ako dito sa floor kasi medyo tired na, ganyan. And I just realized one thing. So, itong first kong travel video na pinakita sa inyo, medyo extra effort pala talaga. Kasi, apart from me thinking of ano yung mga shots, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga sasabihin ko, parang nakikipaglaban ako sa weather kasi it's foggy, gloomy, and naku, sana nabibigyan ko ng justice yung mga videos na yung mga clips na nilagay ko dito sa vlog na to. Grabe yung sobrang nakakabilib talaga yung mga seasoned content bulol na naman yung mga seasoned content creator. Ay, sana talaga dumami na yung subscribers ko pa. Maraming maging mas marami pang maging likes, mas marami maging shares. I'm having fun. I mean, it's a different kind of fun. It's tiring, especially the editing part, but I'm really having fun. Parang siyang therapeutic for me. Yun lang naman nangyari sa akin sa day 2 dito sa Sapa. And I hope you still watch part 3 ng Sapa trip. And then after that, I'll go to Hanoi. So sana ma-like, share, comment, and subscribe nyo yung mga videos ko. Itong videos ko. And I'm going to end this vlog na today. Gaya ng lagi ko sinasabi, I'll do my best to make you happy. Love you.